Yes, welcome to Agape Plumbers. It's a good evening. I've been called to at least fix some of the things that was remaining. This is my former job. I did it some 2 months ago. Full plumbing inside, double line. We built a bioseptic with the Gilberto architect. Yes, this is a tank installation. I installed tank, gutter. Yes. That is water tank with a pillar. Yes. This is what we call Arabic shower here in Kenya. Arabic shower. Yes, simple term. This for dirty water. When the rain started, the first drop of the rain comes here, then it's being opened, then the dirty water goes out. Then being closed, clean water goes to the tank. So this is the purpose of this one is for cleaning the iron sheets first. That's when the clean water goes to the tank. If you open this one, you can see I hope you have seen how it happens. That's dirty water goes